This video will review the Vertiv DSView Solution MP1000 virtual appliance installation on a Microsoft Hyper-V hypervisor. Before we begin, make sure to download the virtual appliance image from the Vertiv website. Once the image has been downloaded, move the file to the Hyper-V server and extract the VHDX file from the zip file. Move the extracted VHDX file to the location where the new virtual machine disk image will reside, and proceed to the next section of the guide. Using an account with Administrator or Hyper-V management privileges, log into a remote desktop on the Windows 2019 server where Hyper-V is installed. Then open the Hyper-V Manager application. Under the Hyper-V Manager node in the left-hand sidebar, right-click on the connected hypervisor and select New Virtual Machine. When the new Virtual Machine wizard opens, select Specify Name and Location, then enter the name and storage location for the virtual machine. On the next page, in the Specify Generation section of the wizard, click the Generation 2 radio button and then select Next. Note that Generation 1 option is not supported. On the next page, in the Assign Memory section of the wizard, enter 16,384 megabytes, or 16384. You can also put a greater number if applicable. Leave the Use Dynamic Memory for the virtual machine checkbox unchecked and click Next. In the Configure Networking section of the wizard, use the Connection drop-down menu to select the Hyper-V network to which you wish to connect. On the next page, in the Connect Virtual Hard Disk section of the wizard, click the radio button for the Use an Existing Virtual Hard Disk option and click Browse. Browse to and select the extracted VHDX disk image, and then click Next. In the Summary section of the wizard, review the description box and click Finish to confirm the details and create the VM. A progress bar should appear to provide the status. When the VM creation process completes, the new VM appears in the Hyper-V Manager list. In the Hyper-V Manager node in the left-hand sidebar, right-click on the new VM and select Settings. In the Settings menu, select Security under the Hardware section. By default, Secure Boot is enabled. Click the Enable Secure Boot checkbox to disable that option. Please note, Secure Boot must be disabled for the virtual appliance to boot on Hyper-V. Hyper-V uses Vertiv custom keys and does not support custom Secure Boot keys. Once Secure Boot has been disabled, in the left-hand sidebar, select Processor and click the arrows in the Number of Virtual Processors field to increase the value to 4. Under the Management section in the left-hand sidebar, select Integration Services. In the Services list, click the Guest Services checkbox to select this option. Now click OK to save all settings. After the settings are saved, right-click the VM again and select Start. The Vertiv MP1000 virtual appliance will start and its status will change to running. From here, you will wait for the appliance to fully boot, then you can move on to setup and configuration. This concludes the Hyper-V installation for the MP1000 virtual appliance.